Welcome to a Minute of Green Wisdom. Today's topic: composting do's and don'ts. Composting, a simple yet effective method to recycle organic waste, enriching your garden and reducing landfill. But remember, not all waste is created equal. Do compost fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, eggshells, and yard waste. These items decompose quickly and provide rich nutrients for your soil. Don't compost meat, dairy, or oils. These items take a long time to decompose, can attract pests, and can create unpleasant odors. Do ensure your compost pile is a mix of green and brown materials. The green provides nitrogen while the brown gives carbon, a balance vital for successful composting. Don't overlook the importance of turning your compost pile regularly. This simple act introduces oxygen, speeding up the decomposition process. Remember, a well-maintained compost pile is a gift to your garden and the environment. You're just 60 seconds away from a greener world. Happy composting! Like and subscribe for more green tips.